Hello there. In this video, let us talk about the calculator. But before we begin, I dare you to find the correct answer for this sum in 20 seconds. Ready? The correct answer is 8,836,298,610. If you were able to get it correct, trust me, you truly are a genius. Anyway, what I was trying to explain by this is, it would be much easier if we use a calculator instead of solving by our own. It would only take few seconds. Types of calculators. Calculators can be divided into main two types according to the method of calculation. They are basic calculator and scientific calculator. Basic calculator has lesser keys compared to scientific calculator. Also, it always solves sums from left to right, while scientific calculator follows the BODMAS concept. Refer the examples in the screen. And now, let us talk about the evolution or history of this awesome machine. As shown in the figure, people have been using fingers, stones and Napier's bones to perform different calculations in day-to-day life till 1642. Pascal Calculator. Pascal Calculator is the first mechanical calculator of the history. It was created in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. Pascal Calculator can perform addition and subtraction directly. Arithmometer. Arithmometer, also known as Colomar's calculator, is the first digital mechanical calculator. It was invented in 1820 and manufactured around 1851. This calculator has the ability to perform addition, subtraction and multiplication directly. It was invented by French inventor Charles Xavier Thomas de Colmar. Next up, we have the Curter calculator. The Curter was the first pocket calculator. It was designed in 1930 and introduced to the public in 1948. The Curter was designed by Austrian prisoner Kurt Hertzstark. It is said that this calculator has saved the life of its inventor. And also after the Second World War, it became an indispensable tool for engineers and accountants. Digital calculator. Nowadays, the digital calculator is a very familiar tool for most people. It is a well-developed tool that can be used to fulfill many mathematical functions. However, the first handled digital calculator was produced by Texas Instruments Company. The inventors of the calculator were Jack Kibley and Edith Clark. At present, there are many calculator manufacturers in the world. Canon, Casio, Citizen, Hewlett-Packard, Sharp, and Texas Instruments are some of the well-known companies that manufacture calculators. The latest developed calculator can be found in your smartphone. The first smartphone calculator was installed in IBM Simon mobile phone. But now, we can see calculators in every type of mobile phone. We learnt a lot about the calculator. So why don't we practice some sums from it? What are you waiting for? Grab your calculator. For grade 9 syllabus, we have to practice addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and finding square numbers, square roots and percentages using a scientific calculator. Refer these flowcharts to find out the method of using calculator step by step. Just like addition, we can use relevant symbols to perform subtraction, multiplication and division tasks. I hope you had a sound knowledge to use the calculator by this. But make sure that you won't use calculators in your mathematics period. Calculator sure is useful, but believe me, your brain is much better than the calculator. With that, we conclude the presentation. Thank you for watching.